Hi, my name is Andrew Bryson. I'm the Machine Shop Manager for the Department of Mechanical and Materials Engineering at Queen's University. We have a fantastic facility here. I would really like to take you on a little tour, so let's go. Here we are in the Metrology Lab. What we use in this lab are inspection tools, inspection equipment. For instance, one of the newer pieces of equipment that we have in the lab is a ferro arm. It's used for reverse engineering and for inspection on parts. Another tool that we have in the Metrology Lab right now are these two rapid prototypers. One is a breakaway support structure and the other one is a soluble support structure. They're actually really great machines for building prototypes. Here we have a prototype gearbox we built in the one. As you can see, it's a fully functioning prototype. And it's really good for making parts and building parts to check for spatial constraints and stuff like that. So here we are in the machine shop. This is one of the CNC, this is actually a 4-axis CNC mill. And the Baja team actually has one of their parts in here, the machining right at the moment. It happens to be a front hub off the car. So you can see the students get quite involved with this equipment and use it quite regularly. The machine I'm standing in front of right now is our Cnc Waterjet cutting machine. It uses a high pressure water system with abrasive put into the jet stream. It actually can cut up to about 8 inches of solid steel. I've got a couple of examples right here. This is 2-inch aluminum. Not only will it cut through the 2 inches of aluminum, you can see we nest parts in the center of it, so we use less material in this machine. Also, I've got some samples we made for another researcher. It's actually out of asphalt off a highway in Northern Ontario. We make these compression samples every summer for them so they can do testing on the actual asphalt. This machine literally will cut through anything. And here we have one of the biggest machines in the machine shop. This happens to be a Haas VF3. It's an industrial sized machine and we do most of our big projects in this machine. Right now we have some blocks of aluminum being machined down. We're making a pendulum for Mech 496. So here we are in the welding shop, the welding fabrication shop. As you can see, it's a pretty busy spot. We get a lot of things done in here in the summer. We've actually got a live weld tester in the back here that's being built for some research. It's a really busy spot. The students really like the welding and fabrication shop. You can see in the background here we've got individual welding booths. So in Mech 213, every single student actually gets to do a little bit of welding. Here I am standing in the middle of the CNC lathe cluster. The way it's actually arced out, the way it is laid out specifically for Mech 213. We do 2 students per machine, 1 instructor per 6 students. This is actually part of the turning lab. They actually machine an aluminum shaft for Mech 213. Every student actually gets an opportunity to use all the machines in the machine shop for at least 2 hours through the course.
My name is Daniel Kelly. I'm the project manager for the Queen's Formula SAE team. We'll make the design as students, we'll validate it, and then we'll use the machine shop to actually manufacture those components. It's an extremely rewarding process. It's extremely educational for the students because we learn not only about design, but we learn about manufacture and about the manufacturing techniques, about what techniques within the design will make something easier to manufacture or more difficult. Having the machine shop allows us to do that middle step, that intermediary step between theory and having final product.
In the machine shop, safety, education, and professionalism is our goal. I hope you enjoyed your tour.